One more E's, one more O's, a rap one down. We are the kids and cheese and the peas, that's the rose, yeah. Yes. Hey, no legal, hey. When the act say woof, that's cause we aim for the ceiling. Hey, a little bit no delay. Inside wide in the healing. Jackpot wide in the chilling. Then they so stuck in the feeling. Too many enemies. Gotta watch your back, there's too many enemies. If I leave this world, I go to Mars. Man, it ain't pen, and it ain't fast. We never blend, we never aim for the bullet and shoot for the shoot, 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 hey, shoot, 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 hey. I wanna hear the people, when they know I'm really gonna kill it, hey. Remember when I say, when you're not really enough feeling, hey. Somebody in the front of you, who's gonna light up fast and chilling, hey. I try to get that beat up, I remember lost that drink to my old life in it, hey. That's all, I'm feeling it now, but I just relax and chop. Whoa, guess I'm too busy, I'm putting this in, I'm the money, I'm the cash and stuff. Sabi double cap back, I don't really know, so police my racks and cut. Someone come and say, no, to the car, this ain't on the show, you don't deserve the back and forth. I keep on the shit on the niggas, and you know when we go. Keep on the live on, but hey man, I'm gonna get the pick on. What? Come on, we try to carry the rappers to get it put on. And we don't chill on the game, yesterday you don't, hey. I'm missing the needles on them back, I'm in county, homicide. Talk your shit, man, yeah, I tell the voice, I'm the voice, they put me a rap, but I talk your shit, man. I think if you never in your dream, how the fuck will you rap like this? I guess even midnight pricing, shoot.